Well, President-elect Donald Trump is set to meet with Senate Republicans as his legal team asks the Supreme Court to block his hush money sentencing in New York that is supposed to be happening later this week. Alice Barr wraps it all up for us tonight.
President-elect Trump returning to Washington today to pay respects to former President Jimmy Carter, whose national funeral is tomorrow, and to meet with Senate Republicans ahead of next week's cabinet confirmation hearings. Hanging over it all, a legal showdown with the president-elect asking the Supreme Court to block sentencing set for Friday in his New York hush money case. He addressed his legal battles yesterday.
Because I did nothing wrong. By the way, I did nothing, absolutely nothing wrong.
In a new filing today, the Trump legal team pressing for a stay, quote, to prevent grave injustice and harm to the institution of the presidency and the operations of the federal government, arguing the president-elect is protected by the Supreme Court's recent ruling on presidential immunity. A jury convicted Mr. Trump in May of falsifying business records to cover up an alleged affair with a porn star. All allegations the president-elect fiercely denies. After an initial sentencing delay, the trial judge, Juan Merchan, concluded Mr. Trump does not have immunity until his January 20th swearing in. In a statement, a Trump spokesman again labeling the case, quote, political weaponization of our justice system. It all comes as special counsel Jack Smith has wrapped up final reports in the two Trump federal cases that, stymied in appeals, never made it to trial. Attorney General Merrick Garland intends to publicly release the report on the president-elect's efforts to overturn the results of the 2020 election, but not in the classified documents case that's still proceeding against two co-defendants. A scramble to tie up legal loose ends in the final days before President-elect Trump's inauguration. In Washington, Alice Barr, NBC News.